Hi, 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 hi. Hello everyone, I'm Robert Camunda and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so we are finally back once again for another video. Matagal-tagal rin na hindi tayo nakagawa. So how are you guys? How is the quarantine? Quarantine pa ba? How's life during COVID? Anyway, the reason why I'm vlogging again is because number one, na-miss ko kayo. And pangalawa I, as usual, want to share something with you guys. Something that's interesting. Anyhow, let's talk about air fryers. Air fryer. Well, I'm sure you've heard this. It's all around Facebook. Ang daming memes. Air fryer, air fryer, air fryer. And sabi nila, umaasenso na daw pag may air fryer. But anyway, I got on with the bandwagon and got myself one. Ito siya. Not this, but ito siya. I got myself an air fryer. And kahapon, I actually tested it out by cooking something that everyone is familiar. Kahit saan, kalat to. It's called samgyeopsal. So, yeah, so I put on a marinade. Sinalpak ko. Pinasok ko sa air fryer. And ta-da! This is the result kahapon. Oh, sarap. Imagine, samgyeopsal at the convenience of your own home. And so walang usok, walang pila. Number one yan, walang pila. And unlimited. So you could cook whatever you want. So yeah. So today, I am so excited to share with you guys how I made my samgyeopsal air fryer style. Alright, so let's go. Now here are the things that you need. Of course, you need the air fryer, your choice of meat, and I chose the pork belly, a Korean romaine or Korean lettuce, and for the sides, we need the enoki mushroom. And the most important thing is our marinade. This time I'm using spicy bulgogi sauce for pork. For the pork, make sure that you break it down to smaller pieces, like an inch or two, but it all boils down to your preference. This will help your air fryer to cook the meat easier. Now it's time to marinate our pork. Get 1 bottle of the spicy bulgogi sauce, and it actually depends on how spicy you want it to be. Mix it well and make sure that you cover every piece of pork. Put the mixture on your fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour. Now, take your Korean romaine, peel off the plastic, make sure that you wash it thoroughly, put it on the chopping board, and remove the bottom part because you don't want to eat that. Same thing for the enoki mushrooms. Peel off the plastic. Appreciate each enoki mushroom by separating them. Put it on the chopping board and of course remove the bottom part. Now get some butter. Make sure it's all melted. And then get 1 group of enoki and dip it in butter. Well, let's just put everyone in. Now for the fun part. It's time to air fry our pork. Get a piece of foil, put it on the air fryer basket, and make sure that you don't cover everything. Make sure that there's still space for air to flow. Line up each pork and make sure that there's space in between. And hey, don't forget to put water at the bottom pan. Now it's time for the moment that we've all been waiting for. It's time to air fry. Now make sure that you choose the correct temperature and cooking time. Now each air fryer is different, so make sure that you refer to your manual. I'm setting this to 180 degrees Celsius and initially at 10 minutes. And then, I'll just chill and wait. I'm excited! Convenience of having an air fryer is that once na nalagay mo na siya, nasalpak mo na siya, you can do anything. You just wait for the timer and do other stuff. Diba? Very convenient. Whilst on process, I noticed that I smell something different. So I have to check our samgyeopsal, and I noticed that this enoki mushrooms are easily cooked. So I have to remove it. Okay, I just took out the what do you call this? This mushrooms. I don't know if you could see it. Yeah, kasi this cooks really fast. So I don't know if it stays longer sa air fryer, it might burn. Pero I think it already tastes good. I'm gonna taste it. It's a mix of sweet, spicy, and salty. Perfect. You always have to check the thing that you're cooking sa air fryer mo halfway. Let's say if you cook it, if you set the timer at 10 minutes, at the 5-minute mark, you have to check it and do the flip. Let's check our samgyeopsal. Wow, that looks really good. We're gonna do the flip. See if you could see the other side is not yet cooked. Kiko, you smell that, Kiko? You like samgyeopsal? Right now, guys, it's smelling like barbecue dito sa bahay. Well, it is after all called Korean barbecue, so I am so excited. I can't wait. I really can't wait, guys. Excited now. Let's go. So let's check our samgyeopsal. Wow, look at that. I'm so excited. Alright guys, now let's prepare. There we go. I'm gonna cook the enoki separately. So this is now our finished product. I'm loving it. Look at that, guys. It's still sizzling fresh from the air fry. So let me just show you one piece of pork. Look at that. It's all saucy. It's full of flavor and I love the color. And it's spicy. I like it. So take one piece of Korean romaine. Let me just prepare my tongs. Oops. Okay, and get one piece of pork, or how many you like. And wrap it up like so. And enjoy! Oh my, this is really good. You have to try it. Sobrang dali niya lang na recipe, guys. Remember, it's just one bottle of marinade. Patong mo lang sa samgyeopsal or any pork siguro, it will work. Patong mo lang, mix mo, put it on your air fryer, and you get this super yummy and tasty samgyeopsal at the convenience of your own home. So once again, this is Robert Kamuda. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on our next adventure.